Welcome to Dan Paluch Sports. This week in Minnesota's top questions, will Joe Mauer get traded? Your short answer, no. Get ready, Minnesota Minute and a Half.
Welcome to this week's Minnesota Minute and a Half. Last Sunday, the Vikings took a devastating loss to the 2-3 Washington Redskins. The Vikings started the game and made it look like they were going to take the game in a landslide victory as we started it off with 3 quick Blair Walsh field goals. The second and third quarters were much different as Redskins quarterback and rookie sensation Robert Griffin III took over the game. In those quarters, Griffin led the Redskins to a scoring difference of 24-3, making the game 24-12 going into the fourth. The Vikings looked impressive in the fourth as they tried to make the dramatic fourth quarter comeback, scoring 2 touchdowns to the Redskins' 1. We had momentum and were dominant on defense until Griffin broke a 76-yard touchdown that shut down the Vikings' hopes to make a move. The loss is hard to accept for the Vikings as they were moved down 2 spots after it to number 10 in this week's ESPN's NFL Power Rankings. This week the Vikings take on former Minnesota native Larry Fitzgerald and the Arizona Cardinals. The Cardinals are 4-2 along with the Vikings, which makes this game very interesting battle as almost no one in the NFL saw either of these two teams in this predicament or position with records at 4-2 at the beginning of the year. That'll do it for this week in the Minnesota Vikings Minute and a Half, but as always, Skol Vikings.